In the name of God, and we are starting another part of the training course on building a coin-operated device. In this session, I want to explain how to upload or transfer the codes into the Arduino. We opened the Arduino software that I mentioned before. We wrote the code and included the required libraries. In the previous session, we introduced the pins, defined the LCD pins, initialized the LCD using the begin command, and displayed some content on the LCD. Now, I want to make a small modification in the LCD section. In the setup section, wherever I need, I define the settings. In the loop section, I don't want to write anything because I don't want the text to repeat. I just want the message to be displayed once after the LCD is initialized. So now I control the cursor position and tell the LCD what to print. For example, I move the cursor to the left and write, "My name is Hamid." I no longer need the loop because anything written inside the loop will repeat continuously, and I don't want repetition. I only want to display the text, "My name is Hamid." Now the question is, how do we upload this code to the Arduino so that it executes these commands? Go to the Tools menu, then Board, and select the board you are using. As I explained before, if you are using Arduino Uno, you must select Uno. Do not do exactly what I am doing if your board is different. I am using Arduino Mega 2560, so I select Mega 2560. But if you are using Uno, you must select Uno. Up to this point, we have specified the Arduino board, but the most important part for uploading the program is the port. Now, I connect my Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. At this moment, the Arduino is connected to the computer. To upload the code, we must identify the correct Arduino port. As you can see, the software has detected it automatically. Many times this happens, but sometimes it may not detect it. If it is not detected, you just need to search on Google and follow the steps. Go to Tools, Port. If you don't see any port, it means the Arduino driver is not installed. After installing the driver, go back to Tools, Port, and select the Arduino port. Now everything is ready. First, compile the code by clicking on the Verify button, the checkmark icon. My code compiled successfully. After that, click on the Upload button, the arrow icon. Pay attention here. First, the code is verified and then it is uploaded. Now the Arduino starts uploading the program and you can see the LEDs blinking. On the screen, you will see the message Uploading. When the upload is finished, it means the information has been saved on the Arduino. Now it is enough to connect the LCD and power on the Arduino. On the LCD, you will see the following message. My name is Hamid Reza. Let's go and see it together. Until the next session, goodbye.